If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to scrape PDF data, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to scrape PDF data using Browse AI, an incredible tool that allows you to automate data extraction with ease. Stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to use this tool to scrape valuable data from PDFs with minimal effort. First things first, Browse AI is an easy-to-use web scraping tool that doesn't require any coding skills. Whether you're a marketer, researcher, or business owner, it's designed to simplify the data extraction process. It's a game changer when you need to scrape data from websites, PDFs, and other sources without needing complex scripts or deep technical knowledge. Now, let's focus on scraping PDF data. You might be thinking, how can a web scraping tool extract data from a PDF? Well, Browse AI is smart enough to understand PDF structures, which means it can extract information from these documents in a way that feels natural and effortless. It breaks down the content in a way that makes it usable for your projects. All you need to do is upload the file, set your preferences, and let Browse AI do the heavy lifting. To get started, you'll want to create an account with Browse AI, which, by the way, you can try for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Once you're set up, it's time to upload the PDF you want to scrape. Browse AI will analyze the PDF and create a model based on its structure, which essentially means it'll figure out what information you're after. Here's where it gets interesting. Browse AI uses AI to train itself on what to look for within the document. You can set specific parameters like fields or values that you want to scrape. It works similarly to teaching a bot how to recognize patterns in the data, so you can fine-tune what you need. And the best part? It's all done visually, so you don't have to worry about learning code or technical setups. Once the model is trained, you can start scraping. Browse AI will automatically extract the data from the PDF based on the criteria you've set, and you can download it directly into a CSV or Excel file for easy use. No more copying and pasting from multiple pages of a PDF. This automated process saves you countless hours, especially when you're dealing with large volumes of data. And before you go thinking this is too complicated, let me assure you, Browse AI is designed for simplicity. The interface is intuitive, and the setup process takes minutes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you'll find it easy to integrate Browse AI into your workflow. Plus, if you have any questions, there's excellent customer support available to help you out. For those of you who are new to web scraping or just want to make the most of this tool, the extended trial I'm offering through the link below will give you more than enough time to explore all the features and see the value it brings to your projects. It's the perfect way to test out how Browse AI can make your data extraction a breeze without any technical headaches. If you're ready to start scraping PDF data with ease, head to the link below, sign up for Browse AI, and get started for free. You'll have access to a powerful tool that's perfect for marketers, business owners, and anyone who needs to streamline their data collection process. So, to sum it up, Browse AI allows you to effortlessly scrape PDF data, saving you time and effort. Try it today for free and see for yourself how much more efficient your data extraction can be. Don't forget to check out the exclusive extended trial and take advantage of the bonuses available through the link in the description. Happy scraping!